नमस्कार। आप सभी का इस प्रार्थना सभा में स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सुभा जी की याद में आज ये प्रार्थना सभा, इस शुरुआत हम ये भजनों से करेंगे। गंधर्व महाविद्यालय के खुशहाल शर्मा जी की ये टीम है जो भजनों के द्वारा अपना प्रोग्राम यहाँ रखेंगे। इसमें कुछ भजन जो ये गाएंगे वो बहुत सुभा जी के बहुत ही प्रिय भजन थे। ये कार्यक्रम करीब 45 मिनट चलेगा भजनों का। उसके बाद की जो वो है वो बाद में कुछ उनके वक्ता हैं जो सुभा जी के बारे में अपने उद्गार रखेंगे। अब हम पंडित जी से कहते हैं कि ये कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ करेंगे।
असतो मा सद्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय 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 असतो सद्गमय 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 असतो मा सद्गमय 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 तम सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय ज्योतिर्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय 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 मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय अमृतं गमय अमृतं गमय कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, 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 कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, 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 कैसे आऊं रे, आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, इत मथुरा, इत मथुरा, इत मथुरा, उत गोकुल नगरी, इत मथुरा, उत गोकुल नगरी, बीच बहे जमुना गहरी, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं, कैसे आऊं रे, आऊं रे, आऊं रे, आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, चंद्र सखी कहे पखियाँ दे दे, पखियाँ दे दे, ए पखियाँ दे दे, चंद्र सखी कहे पखियाँ दे दे, उड़ आऊला, उड़ आऊला, उड़ आऊला, तोरी बिजन गली में कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं, किसन थारी ब्रजनगरी में कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, कैसे आऊं रे, हम परदेसी, हम परदेसी, हम परदेसी, पंछी वावानी देसरा नाही हो रे, हम परदेसी पंछी बाबा निदेसरा नाही हो जे अनिदेसरा अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता पल पल पर पछताए भाई संतो अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे हे हम परदेसी पंछी बाबा अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता पल पल पर पछताए भाई संतो अनिदेसरा नाही हो जी मुख बिन गाना पग बिन चलना बिना पंख उड़ जाए हो जे मुख बिन गाना पग बिन चलना बिना पंख उड़ जाए हो जे बिना मोह की सूरत हमारी बिना मोह की सूरत हमारी अनहद में राम जाए भाई संतो अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे हम परदेसी पंछी बाबा अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे निर्गुण रूप है मेरा दाता सरगुण नाम धराए हो जे ये निर्गुण रूप है मेरा दाता सरगुण नाम धराए हो जे कहे कबीरा कहे कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो कहे कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो साहेब है घट माई भाई संतो अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे हम परदेसी पंछी बाबा अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता अनिदेसरा लोग अचेता पल पल पर पछताए भाई संतो अनिदेसरा नाही हो जे हम परदेसी पंछी बाबा आणि देसरा नाही राम निरंजन न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे अंजन सकल पसारा रे भाई राम निरंजन न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे अंजन सकल पसारा रे भाई राम निरंजन न्यारा रे न्यारा रे न्यारा रे न्यारा रे अंजन उत्पत्ति ओंकार अंजन उत्पत्ति ओंकार अंजन मांगे सब विस्तार अंजन मांगे सब विस्तार अंजन ब्रह्मा शंकर इंद्र अंजन ब्रह्मा शंकर इंद्र अंजन गोपी संगी गोविंद रे भाई राम निरंजन न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे न्यारा रे न्यारा रे न्यारा रे अंजन वाणी अंजन वेद अंजन वाणी अंजन वेद अंजन किया नाना भेद अंजन किया नाना भेद अंजन विद्या पाठ पुराण अंजन विद्या पाठ पुराण अंजन को कत कत ही ज्ञान रे भाई राम निरंजन न्यारा रे राम निरंजन न्यारा रे अंजन सकल पसारा रे भाई राम निरंजन न्यारा रे अंजन कहाँ कहाँ लग के था दान पुनि जप तीरथ जेता दान पुनि जप तीरथ जेता। कहे कबीर कोई बिरला जागे, अंजन छाड़ी अनंत ही दागे रे भाई। राम निरंजन न्यारा रे, राम निरंजन न्यारा रे। अंजन सकल पसारा रे भाई। राम निरंजन न्यारा रे, न्यारा रे, न्यारा रे, न्यारा रे। निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण। गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा, निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण। गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा, निर्भय निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्भय निर्गुण। गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा। मूल कमल दल, मूल कमल दल, आसन बांधु जी। मूल कमल दल, मूल कमल दल, आसन बांधु जी। उलटी पवन चढ़ाऊंगा चढ़ाऊंगा। निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण। गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा, निर्भय मन ममता को, मन ममता को, मन ममता को थिर कर लाबू जी। मन ममता को थिर कर लाबू जी। पांचों तत्व मिलाऊंगा मिलाऊंगा। निर्भय निर्गुण, निर्भय निर्गुण। आज नंद के द्वारे भी, नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे भी आज नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के नंद के नंद के नंद के द्वार भी नंद के एक आवत एक जात विदा है, एक आवत एक जात विदा है, एक आवत एक जात विदा है, एक ठाणे मंदिर के नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे नंद के नंद के द्वारे भी कौ के सर को तिलक बनावती, कौ के सिर को तिलक बनावती, कौ पहिरती कंचू की शरीर नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे भी आज 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 एकनी को गौदान समर्पति, एकनी को गौदान 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 एकनी को गौदान समर्पति, एकनी को पहिरावत चीर नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के भी नंद के भी नंद के भी नंद के सूरदास हाँ सूरदास धनश्याम सनेही, सूरदास धनश्याम सूरदास धनश्याम सनेही, धन्य जसोदा पुण्य शरीर नंद के द्वार भी नंद के द्वारे भी नंद के द्वारे भी द्वारे भी नंद के द्वार भी उड़ जाएगा उड़ जाएगा। उड़ जाएगा, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, हंस अकेला। उड़ जाएगा, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला। जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला। उड़ जाएगा, जैसे पात गिरे तरुवर के, जैसे पात गिरे तरुवर के। मिलना बहुत दुहेला, मिलना बहुत दुहेला। ना जानूं किधर गिरेगा, ना जानूं किधर गिरेगा। लग गया पवन का रेला, उड़ जाएगा, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला। दास कबीर हर के गुण गावे, दास कबीर हर के गुण गावे, दास कबीर हर के गुण गावे। हर को पार न पावे, बाहर को पार न पावे। गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा, गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा। चेले की करनी चेला, उड़ जाएगा, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, हंस अकेला। जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला, जगदर्शन का मेला। उड़ जाएगा, जब जानकी नाथ सहाय करे, जब जानकी नाथ सहाय करे जब जानकी नाथ सहाय करे तब कौन बिगाड़ करे नर तेरो जानकी नाथ सहाय करे जब कौन बिगाड़ करे नर तेरो जानकी नाथ सहाय सूरज मंगल सूरज मंगल सोम भृगु सुत सूरज मंगल सोम भृगु सुत बुध और गुरुवर दायक तेरो बुधवार गुरुवर दायक तेरो राहु केतु के नाहि गम्यता राहु केतु के नाहि गम्यता संग शनिचर होत उचेरो जानकी नाथ सहाय जब जानकी नाथ सहाय करे तब कौन बिगाड़ करे नर तेरो जानकी नाथ सहाय ये जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो जइयो सांवरे सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरी जमुना किनारे मेरी ऊंची हवेली मैं ब्रज की गोपिका नवेली ब्रज की गोपिका नवेली, राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम। बंसी बजा के जइयो सांवरे, आई जइयो सांवरे, सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे, आई जइयो सांवरे। ये जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव, सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे। मलमल के स्नान कराबऊ, मलमल के स्नान कराबऊ, मलमल के स्नान कराबऊ। घिस घिस चंदन, घिस घिस चंदन, घिस घिस चंदन, घिस घिस चंदन। घोर लगाऊं पूजा करूं सुबह शाम। माखन खा के जइयो सांवरे, आई जइयो सांवरे, सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे, आई जइयो सांवरे। ये जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव, जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव। सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे, 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 ये सांवरे है सांवरे, सांवरे। जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव, सांवरे।
संत कबीर के इन भजनों की सुखद अनुभूति आप सबको हुई होगी। पंडित खुशहाल शर्मा और उनके साथी जो गंधर्व महाविद्यालय से हैं, उन्होंने ये प्रस्तुति दी। अब हम अगले चरण की तरफ चलते हैं। वी हैव 2 speakers who will speak about their association, and they will throw some light on some aspects of Subhaji as a journalist. First of all, I am inviting, eminent journalist Usha Rai ji, who will share her association with Subhaji, highlighting her association with the Media Foundation. So, Usha Rai ji, please come. Usha Rai does not require any introduction. She is a senior journalist and eminently known.
Good evening, everybody. I think there are many of you in the audience who will probably know Shobha much better than I did, but we've had a long association, and She was really somebody who was very dear to the journalist fraternity. So I'm happy to say a few words about her, though I don't think I can ever capture her full personality and the kind of person she was. I've been told to speak for 3 minutes, so I thought it's better to put down my thoughts and speak to you rather than to speak extempo and wander all over the place. Shubha was tall and walked straight both in spirit and real life. That is how a member of the Media Foundation described Shubha Singh, and I could not agree more. Though erudite and extremely well-read, she was not pushy and arrogant like a lot of other journalists are. In fact, she was self-effacing and always in the background. But when given a responsibility, whether it was building the library at the Indian Women's Press Corps or helping George Verghese and Shravanti Nayanan at the Media Foundation put together a jury and get entries for the coveted Chameli Devi Jain Award, she did it with quiet diligence. I got to know Shubha when the IWPC was being set up in the early 90s. There was a quiet bonding between Manika, Kumi, Harminder, Anita, Ritu Sareen, Rashmi Saxena, and many of us as we built a second home for journalists at 6 Windsor Place. Shubha laid the foundation for the library. I will let Kumi tell you about that. We met at lunches and dinners and the wedding of her son and that of other friends. Despite her many health issues, she was always warm and ever ready to help you. As an office bearer of the Media Foundation, she took on the responsibility for the Chameli Devi Jain Award for Outstanding Women Media Persons and helped George, Shravanti, and Manika with the annual lecture on the state of the media. A short list was made of the entries, and those in regional languages were given to journalists proficient in those languages for translations. Shubha would scramble around and find the right persons for the translations. She also selected the perfect books for the thank you gift for the jury members. In 2012, the 30th anniversary of the Chameli Devi Jain Awards, it was decided to bring out a book, Making News, Breaking News, Her Own Way, on the experiences and journey of the women who had won the prestigious award. And the responsibility was given to Shubha and to another wonderful member of the Media Foundation, Latika Padgaonkar. While in some years there was just one awardee, in others there were 2 and 3 awardees. By the way, Shubha was also a Chameli Devi awardee in 1994. Her contribution to the book was titled From Telegram to Twitter, a Semicircle. I hope somebody will talk about the books that she has written and her contribution to the literary world. As editor, Latika and Shubha were astonished to read the contributions of the book, the many battles women journalists fought to not just stay alive in the profession, but to give it new direction and dimension. They kept saying, good heavens, hum kahan se kahan pahunch gaye? There was an ease and modesty with which women journalists told their stories, the range of subjects they covered, and their rise in the profession. Many of them had a following, and their writings were taken seriously by readers as well as editors. In an interview with News Laundry, when the book came out, Shubha speaks of her own experience covering the diplomatic beat and having to sit right at the back during the press conferences in the External Affairs Ministry. In Hyderabad in 1981, male journalists, she said, would actually get up and move to another row when she sat next to them. However, things changed for women journalists when NTR and Jayalalitha became chief ministers. More and more women were also entering the journalism and were claiming their places. Even when in the hospital and unable to speak because of the tracheostomy, she would ask Manika about developments in the profession and the Media Foundation. In her neat handwriting on an A4 size paper, she would ask, what is the gossip? She remained a newspaper person to the end. The last time many of us women journalists met her was on February 22nd at Anita Katyal's home. She came wearing a mask, nurse in tow, and paper and pencil in hand to ask and reply to questions we had for her. In retrospect, I can say she had come to say goodbye.
We have another speaker, another good friend of Subha Singh and eminent journalist. I invite Kumi Kapoor ji. When I say good friend of Subha, most of the people here, the majority of them are journalists, and I do not mean that she was not good. They were all good friends, but there are two speakers today. So now, Kumi Kapoor ji.
Good evening, friends. What I'm going to say is sort of a repetition of what Usha said, but I was asked to speak on Shubha's sterling role in the Indian Women's Press Corps, and where I came to know her. She was a backbone of the institution, working tirelessly, but Shubha, as all the numerous, WhatsApp messages which have flooded the women's groups, all the people testify to what a sincere, selfless, with such a smile, and as Usha said, so self-effacing person she was. She kept in the background, but she did so much. And when she was one of the first people to join the Indian Women's Press Corps, she stayed with us, and we bonded, all of us, as women journalists. Shubha, as again Usha has pointed out, was particularly fond of reading, and she often carried a book with her. And naturally, she automatically, when we started a library, she became in charge of the library, and she did it with such sincerity, selecting the books. I remember going with her to Oxford Book Circle, and she had a very serious and a very refined taste, but she was persuaded by me to include some bestsellers and other books as well in the process. She also started she was a competition for short story writers, and there again she took full charge. She helped select the jury and the modalities for choosing the prize winners. Then again, she did so many other things. I can't name all, but I know she was very active in our gardening committee also, and she and Manika used to go to government nurseries and see if they could get a few plants from the good-natured gardeners. I remember one incident in particular. One of her duties was as a chairperson of investigative committee we were having on Khap Panchayats. And one of the young members said innocently something rather strong about the Jats. And Shubha didn't reprove her anything. She just said very politely that, I am a Jat. But she was so self-effacing that she never mentioned the fact that she came from a very illustrious Jat family. Her father was, as we all know, Bhagwan Das Singh. He was the first Jat to join the IAS. Captain Singh held many prestigious administrative posts in the early years of the Republic, but I think he's best known for the fact that he was, for many years, also ambassador to Fiji. And he brought about a special bonding with that country. And it's part of the family culture, because actually his great-grandfather was an indentured labor who went to Fiji. And Shubha's brother, whom I also knew very well, Ajay Singh, was in the same mold and like Shubha. He was loved by everyone. I don't know if both brother and sister, nobody had an ill word to say about either of them. And he too was Fiji ambassador at some point. Shubha had a soft exterior, but she also had a backbone of steel and a really brave heart. And this testimony to this is the fact that the hell she had to go through in the last years of her life because of criminal medical negligence. But she never lost her spirit. Despite the hardship she had to go through, she had tubes in her. She couldn't speak, but she had a notebook on which she could write. And I can never thank Anita Katyal enough, because in February, we had a little get-together, and Shubha braved it all to come to be with us. And it is amazing, because I was sitting next to her, and I was explaining to her some gossip that had happened in a MP's house a day earlier. And it was as if it was like old times. She was writing the questions, and I was giving her the gossip and what was the fallout of it. So she bore all her troubles with such great fortitude that I will always remember with such respect her bravery and courage. Thank you.
Shubha's contributions in the writing world are well known, and many of things have been mentioned here. One aspect I may like to highlight: Shubha, besides being a journalist, was also a very academic writer. She published books on Indian diaspora. On Indian diaspora, she was closely associated with the Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad, which is in Delhi. Her father also worked as president in the initial stage of the association. And on Indian diaspora, she participated, she was executive member of the association also, and constantly, regularly took part in their activities. Her books, first book was Fiji, a Precarious Coalition. It was after the coup. She wrote the book, The New Government which was formed, analyzing the past and future prospects. Then, Pravasi Divas Sammelan was held in 2003. After that, she was associated with Maulana Azad Institute of Asian Studies, where I also worked. And she wrote a book. She was a fellow of the Maulana Azad Institute, Indian Diaspora, a Global Family. Besides these, she contributed papers, articles in different books on diaspora. So in the academic world, her books and her contribution is not much known. Now, I think in the Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad sometime, some seminar about the works of the, or some discussion on Shubha's contributions to diaspora could be organized. I will request I can see Narayan ji here, and honorary director of the, and I think Shyam Parande ji is there. She is the Secretary General of the Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad, and very regularly they were interacting with Shubha ji. Now, with this, I come to, as you know all, that Shubha was youngest amongst the three sisters. The elder two, Vibha and Abha, they were unable to come today for various reasons. And they send their samvedana, their messages. I read out one message written by Viva. Viva writes, deeply regret my absence here today. Subha had left is for a better place, and there she will continue to glow with her kindness, grace, and humanness. Her grit and courage through agonizing sufferings were an example to family and friends. Passing of a sibling is like losing part of one's childhood. So let me say, Chutkan, as Dad called her, meaning little one. We will miss you. You will remain forever in our hearts, dearest little sister. Satgati Prapto, Om Shanti. End of the message. Now, at the end of the program, I would request Priyanka. Priyanka is daughter-in-law of, but Subha always called her Beti. So Subha ki beti हैं. Mayank, her son, and Priyanka, they live in US. And many of the people here in the audience may not be familiar with her also. So she will say the final thanks to her and say her. Priyanka, please.
On behalf of the family, I would like to say thank you. Your love, your support, and presence here today mean more than words can express. It has been a deeply emotional time for us as a family, and the kindness you all have shown has really helped us through this tough period. Shubha Singh, or Mataji for me, was an extraordinary woman, a pioneering journalist, an astute observer of foreign affairs, and above all, a woman of immense grace and quiet strength. She lived her life with resilience. She faced life's challenges, including her final battle with cancer, with courage and dignity. And that's the legacy she leaves behind. A legacy of grace, thoughtfulness, and unwavering strength. Thank you for being here to honor her today. And your love is a reflection of the impact she's had on so many lives. Thank you. There's tea outside, and we would love to have you all present for the tea.